Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll crochet a lovely carnation flower coaster, perfect for home decor or gifting. Get your 3mm yarn and 2.5mm hook ready. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's jump right in. For round 1, start with a magic ring. Chain 2, then make 12 double crochets into the ring. Slip stitch to close the round. Great job! Remember to keep your tension even to create a neat circle. Next, for round 2, chain 2 again. Now make a double crochet increase in each stitch around, so that's 12 increases. You should have 24 stitches in total. Slip stitch to close the round. Well done. Tip: count your stitches after finishing to ensure you have the correct number. For round 3, chain 3. Now repeat this pattern 12 times. 3 double crochets, chain 1, skip, 1 stitch, slip stitch to close the round. Beautiful work. This starts to form the petal-like shape of your coaster. Let's move to round 4. Chain 3 again. This time, repeat the following 12 times. 1 double crochet increase, 2 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch to close the round. Keep going, you're doing great. For round 5, chain 3. Now repeat this pattern 12 times. 1 double crochet increase, 3 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch to close. Wonderful progress. Remember to relax your hands to avoid cramping. Let's continue with round 6. Chain 3. This round's pattern is 1 double crochet increase, 4 double crochets, chain 1, skip, 1 stitch, repeat 12 times, slip stitch to finish the round. You're really bringing this flower to life. Time for round 7, chain 3. Now repeat 12 times. 1 double crochet increase, 5 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch to join. You're almost there. Keep up the great work. Let's move to round 8, chain 3 again. Repeat the pattern 12 times. 1 double crochet increase, 6 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch to close the round. Your coaster should now look wonderfully full and floral. Finally, for round 9, chain 1. Then simply work a single crochet and chain 1 all the way around. This gives your coaster a clean, finished edge. Slip stitch to finish off and weave in the end. Amazing job. Take a moment to admire your lovely Carnation coaster. And there you have it. Your Carnation flower coaster is complete. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. If you enjoyed this project, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a kind comment, and subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas. Happy crocheting, and see you next time.